for the throat chakra. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so I'm Angie. I do many things. I'm a witch, I'm an occultist, a soundscape artist, you name it, I do it. So, throat chakra. So I recently did a video where I was talking about the importance of the breath connected to the heart and the throat chakra. That's up there, go and check it out. So if you want to activate, balance your throat chakra, there's a really cool breath. And you're going to like this one. It's called dog breath. Every time we do this breath work with the throat chakra, I have to laugh because the dog just sits there looking at us, and you'll see why in a minute. So what is really nice about this breath is you can really feel it working on the throat chakra. And like with all of these breaths, you can do them for a set amount of time. So you can start with 1 minute, build up to 3, and then you can take it to 11 minutes, maybe 31 minutes. It depends. Yeah, that's our amazing gong. It's gorgeous. So the throat chakra is all about communication, obviously, but it's also about listening. It's not just about speaking, because communication is probably about 70%, if not more, of listening. Okay. And when your throat chakra is running on all cylinders, something very amazing happens with your voice. And it's like it becomes super resonant. And when it meets people's ears, it's like they have quite a profound experience. So if you've ever heard, someone narrating something, you think, wow, their voice, it has a quality. That's what it is. Their throat chakra is balanced. Breath. It's called dog breath. And it involves you sticking out your tongue. So what I used to do in my yoga class, if ever there was a pose or anything that involved sticking out the tongue, I would just get people to stick their tongue out before we do anything, yeah? Because a lot of people, they're like, oh, and they do that, and it's like, no, come on, you can do better than that. Stick your tongue out like this. Yeah? I know we were taught as children, oh, it's rude to stick your tongue out, but in this instance, it's actually very good to stick your tongue out. So stick your tongue out. Okay, good. So we've got that. It's a bit of dribble. Okay. So dog breath. We do it with the tongue stuck out, and we do it like a pant. So what I want you to do, yeah, is I want you to stick your tongue out. And if you like, you can do this as well, if it makes you feel better. And we're going to pant like a dog, okay? So stick your tongue out and pant like a dog. So that's the breath. That's the breath we're going to use, okay? You can go as fast or as slow as you like. Again, a bit like with breath of fire, if you start to feel dizzy, stop, take normal breaths and come back to it when you want to. Now, near the end of it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to bring the sound right down into the throat so you can make guttural sounds, yeah? And just let it go, whatever it might be, just let it happen. The other thing you will find as you do this breath, there's a funny kind of taste that comes up from the back of your mouth. Perfectly normal. Don't worry about it, okay? Okay, and you might get dribble going down your chin. Don't worry about that either. Kundalini is not always pretty, believe me. Are you ready? So what we're going to do, so we're going to just place your hands in your lap. And we're going to stick our tongue out. We're going to close the eyes. And we're going to pant like a dog. So keep that going. I just want you to be aware, a bit like with breath of fire, that your exhale means that your belly is going in. Yeah. So keep that going. So for these last few seconds, we're going to bring the sound into it. Okay, you ready? And go. And we're going to take an inhale. Suspend the breath at the top. And release when you're ready. So as we sit here, I want you to bring your attention to your throat center, your throat chakra. And just notice how the area feels. Take a few normal breath here. And then when you're ready, open the eyes. So again, you can use that particular breath whenever you feel like there's something that you need to clear in that area, in your throat chakra area, okay? So if you feel that there's something you're not saying or something you're not hearing, if you just need, a little bit more clarity on, your voice and how you're speaking, on what you are saying, okay, then you can do this particular breath. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because otherwise you won't stay in the circle. You won't get notified when new videos come up. And feel free to comment below on your experiences about this video. If you want to go and check out other places where we hang out, we're also on Brand New Tube, we're on BitChute, we are also on MeWe, all under the Witch's Path, but also on Pinterest and Soundcloud. And if you want to access our courses, there's links below for our website, or you can do that via Patreon for a small subscription fee. If you're interested in doing the healing work with Sekhmet, you can go to crystalsrockearth.weebly.com, go to the Sekhmet page, and there's loads of information there and a sign up form as well if you would like to join us for the guided meditations with Sekhmet. Okay, I'm going to go. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to speak your truth. I'll see you in the next video. Be fearless. Stay witchy.